Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a flip through of my 2021 Project Life album. I am still doing a 12 by 12 format. I am doing it kind of like as a monthly thing. It's not necessarily weekly, and I am up to date still in 2021. So the binder is from Michaels. I do believe it's a Recollections one. It's just a black sort of canvas fabric one that I've been using, and it'll go complement the ones that I've finished that were the black and white stripes from Heidi's Swap. So I don't have a title on there yet of the year, but we'll get there. So I always have a pocket to hold kind of little treasures, mementos, and things that, don't go in a pocket. And I'm starting to hold on to a few little projects from Valentina at daycare. She does a lot of crafts there, which I love, and she's flourishing during craft time. And they always tell me, and I'm so proud that at least my time with her during COVID has been productive in getting her quite crafty, and the teachers recognizing it. So let's see if I can actually, okay, yeah, I fit it both here and that'll work. Okay, so on this side, it's just a cloud pattern paper in the back, 2021, and my word for the year is flourish, our cutout of glitter purple cardstock. And then I am missing a picture of Miguel here, so I gotta flip through my camera and see which kind of picture I can use. And these two were definitely taken of me and Valentina in January, and so that opens up my album. So let's see if I can get both spreads in camera. Okay, this will work. Okay, so in order to have some cohesiveness for my album, I have the months of the year cut out on white cardstock. This font is called Crushed Calligraphy, I believe, on my Silhouette Cameo. So it'll be the title card for each month going in. I like that cohesiveness. And you will also see the calendar card from Elle Studio that also will kind of garnish the pages on the opening spread for the month. So for this one, there is some Heidi Swap gel through a stencil, and then the January is right on top of it. So there's definitely some bike pictures, and right here is a Christmas, because members in our family got COVID around Christmas, so it was delayed till January where we can all get together. Taking some screenshots of the stuff that happened at the Capitol, and then my top 5 books of 2020 are there. I have been reading a whole lot, like 5 or 6 books a month, so I'm happy about that new habit in my life. Definitely keeping a blue layout going on here, so we did some playdate friends and going to the zoo. Once again, I think I carry a little bit of a blue layout, time with grandparents. This was just a sticker from Scent Hound that I take Maui, and Maui got neutered in January. This was a sticker postcard that Miguel picked up from the Bahamas. And then this card here is an Allie Edwards. This is from her like basics collection. I did purchase it. And then this is an old Mombi card. Over here, documenting the inauguration. This photo I love so much. This is blown up in our house now on the wall. And I have Miguel's voice in here as well. So this was a journaling card. I believe it's an Allie Edwards one as well. And I just wanted him to write 3 things he loves about Valentina right now. Went to the fair. It was my nephew's birthday party. So I always kept like the ticket stubs there. Here is February start, so a pink and like purpley theme. The butterflies that you see are from a die cut pack from Dollar Tree. They are great. I have them in the pink set. There's an orange set and a green set. This is a Mombi card. This is an Allie Edwards card, and then this is the Elle Studio card. But at least you can see the cohesiveness that is occurring. So pink here and red. We went strawberry picking and to the zoo on Valentine's Day. She had a little bit of congestion and just some projects and stuff I do with Valentina. Still ticking with Valentine's Day. This is Allie Edwards. This is a screenshot. Aren't you glad you live in Florida? This was when, sorry the glare because my window is like right there. When the Northeast was getting like blizzards and a lot of snowfall, so that's why I have that screenshot. This is an old Mombi card. This is an old Tracy Ellis, and this is an Allie Edwards one. We had went to a wedding. Valentina got her big girl bed. This was a view from our hotel during the wedding. Then we're in March. So this one, once again, same title card, just pink ombre paper that I think these were all from the same paper pad. The Elle Studio one. And then the stamping is L Studio. It's the Jane Alpha. So I used it here as well as here. And then this is an Allie Edwards card that matches the, I think, what do we call this? Serif font. Just a classic, like, simple block letter, which I do love. Valentina started daycare. Another zoo pics, and then she was sick, and then riding a bike a lot. She's really good at it. I'm really proud of her. This one's a cut apart piece from I think it's Damask. A screenshot about daylight savings. I was taking an Alicia Burke class here, and there was a sleepover party for spring break at Grandma's house. Going to school. Then it was like St. Patrick's Day, so I got my green card, and Vale made like a little leprechaun hat, not a leprechaun, a shamrock hat at school. My love for ballet, playing t-ball in the back. We got vaccinated as healthcare providers. So that happened in March. Photos with my sister, so just keeping it bright. This is an Allie Edwards, and I don't think this one is. Let me just see. No, that one's a Mombi. So this is Allie, and these are Mombi cards, and I believe these are Tracy Reed. We had went to see like a sea turtle rescue center, so this was from their gift shop. We went strawberry picking again. We went to see Disney on Ice. This is an Allie Edwards card. This was packaging because Daddy got Vale the like Elsa glow in the dark one at the show. Mombi and an old, I want to say this is Project Life card, but I cut it down because it probably had rounded corners. That's how that layout came together. Another trip to the zoo. This is an Allie card, and these are old Project Life cards. And then it does go into April. I am filming this in April, and I am up to date, but you can see I just have some journaling spots to do, and I have to glue that April down. So it starts off with like Easter and going on from there. Oh, excuse me. So that's the first quarter flip through. I hope you found inspiration and are staying up to date with your memory keeping. I always like doing these quarterly rather than monthly because I just feel it's a lot more to share. And you can see like how my style goes and where my journaling is at. You do always know, or let me let you know that I am keeping up with my memory planner from Happy Planner. So that holds a lot of the words, and this is always more photo heavy, but I do try to make some of the journaling bits in here as well. Just in case someone is ever flipping through this without that memory planner, you'll still know what kind of events are occurring in the year for us. So I am still keeping up with it. It is going great. My memory planner is also going good, and I am up to date, so I'll have a flip through for this as well as that coming up. And I have a few projects, like scrapbook projects, layouts that I've done, so there is some footage coming. And I know I had hinted about starting my blog, and I think I'm going with Vibrant Vibes. That way I can encompass a little bit more of like the kid crafts and like little hauls that I do for, you know, keeping Valentina active at home as well as my documenting. I feel like that's a good area for me to dive because I am, you know, an expert in the field right now after all this time doing it. And so stay tuned for that because the channel name and stuff will be coming. I just have to find some time to sit down and just have everything go live. So I'm excited about that because I do want to write more. I am journaling, but I want to put now the journaling into like blog posts and stuff. So that way you can learn and stay in touch with me a little bit better and more personal. So until next time, thank you for joining me. Bye.